You've been assigned to deploy 50 new Windows 11 desktops across an office building. Each workstation must include a specific configuration, a set of licensed applications, network drives, and company policies. The goal is to ensure that every system is identical in both function and security settings to reduce support issues and increase deployment speed. Additionally, the IT department prefers to perform deployments over the network rather than visiting each machine individually. What is the most efficient method to complete this task? Three, two, one. The most efficient. So the most efficient way would be to configure a master image and deploy it using pre-execution environment boot and network imaging tools. Creating a master image allows you to configure one fully functional system with all required applications, settings, and drivers. Once complete, that image can be deployed across the network using Pixie Boot, drastically reducing setup time and ensuring consistency. This process also minimizes human error and simplifies future updates. Before we go any further, I just want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of this video, which is the Master I.T program, and more specifically, the Zero to IT Pro program, which is enrolling right now, which can help you pass certifications just like this in under 90 days. The Zero to IT Pro program includes IT fundamentals, A plus, Network plus, and Security plus. It's an awesome training program. It's all self-paced. It's 100% online. And if you click the link in the description, we actually go through some training that shows you how you can do it on your own. Or if you want our help, we got student testimonials, money back guarantee. The shit works. And if you want to use it, you can. All right. So let's get back to the training. A user reports their wireless mouse often becomes unresponsive, especially when they're using it near other wireless devices like Bluetooth, speakers, and wireless headphones. The mouse operates using 2.4 gigahertz USB receiver, and you've confirmed that the battery is fully charged and USB port is functional. The mouse works fine when used in a different room. What's the most probable cause of this issue? And if you have not liked this video, shame on you. I'm doing this shit on a Saturday, taking time away from my family to help your funky ass. So make sure you like this video, or now you're gonna have 1,000 years of bad luck. You ready? 3, 2, 1. So electromagnetic interference in the current environment. Wireless mouse using the 2.4 gigahertz band are vulnerable to signal interference from other devices operating on the same frequency, such as Bluetooth peripherals, microwaves, or wireless speakers. If the issue only occurs in a specific environment and resolves elsewhere, it strongly suggests interference rather than a hardware issue. A faulty dongle or driver will result in consistent location-independent failures. Mouse firmware issues are rare and unlikely to be resolved by changing rooms. Recommending a different frequency mouse or reducing nearby wireless congestion may help. The IT department of a mid-sized company wants to restrict users from accessing certain control panel settings on a Windows 10 machine, such as disabling network settings, modifying system updates, and uninstalling software. They need to implement these restrictions consistently across all domain joined devices. The solution must be scalable and centrally managed. What is the most appropriate method to achieve this? 3, 2, 1. Apply group policy objects from Active Directory. Group policy provides centralized control over user and computer settings in a Windows domain environment. IT administrators can use GPOs to restrict access to control panel items, enforce security policies, and prevent unauthorized changes. It ensures consistency and scalability without manual configuration of each endpoint. A technician is troubleshooting a user's complaint where the system consistently shows a spinning circle for several minutes after entering login credentials on a Windows 10 laptop. After the delay, the desktop eventually appears and the system functions normally. No malware or hardware issues are found, and the system is connected to a fast SSD. Upon further investigation, Task Manager reveals that a large number of programs are launching at startup. What is the most likely cause, and how should the issue be addressed? Also, let me know in the comments, is it a certain certification that you want me to make more content on, whether it's CompTIA, Cisco, because we got some CNA training as well on the channel. Basically, this is the spot. If you're looking to pass certification, I got certifications training for damn near every certification I can think of. If it's a certification that makes sense, I will do the training if it gets enough comments inside the comment section. 3, 2, 1. Too many startup applications are causing resource bottlenecks. An excessive number of applications launching at startup can delay the transition from the login screen to a usable desktop environment, even with a fast SSD. CPU and memory may be overwhelmed by simultaneous processes. Task Manager allows you to identify and disable non-essential startup items to improve performance. A corrupt user profile typically results in login failures or a temporary profile. SSD issues would show broader system errors. The boot manager handles pre-login processes, not delays after entering credentials. While upgrading a user's workstation, a technician installs additional RAM into a motherboard that already has 2 8GB DDR modules. The new RAM modules are also 8 gigabytes each, but rated for 3200 megahertz. After installation, the system becomes unstable, displaying frequent blue screens under load. BIOS shows all memory is detected. What's the best next step to stabilize this system? Three, two, one. Manually set all RAM modules to run at 2400 megahertz in the BIOS. Mixing memory with different speeds can cause instability. Although the motherboard may recognize all modules, the system defaults to the slowest supported speed. Manually configuring the speed ensures all modules operate at consistent supported rate. Removing RAM reduces total capacity, and enabling XMP is intended for performance boosting and may worsen the issue when mixing speeds. BIOS reset doesn't enforce the necessary clock speed matching. This is your last opportunity to like the video. Your last opportunity. If you don't, it's just un-American. A nonprofit organization plans to donate old desktops, and shout out to the UK. Shout out shit, I don't even know what that would be, but shout out to the UK. We actually have a large number of people in the UK. So shout out to the UK, the good USA, and wherever you are watching from. A nonprofit organization plans to donate old desktops, but the director is concerned about sensitive donor information stored on the devices. Simply deleting files or formatting the drives is not sufficient due to potential data recovery by third parties. The team wants to ensure that all data is completely unrecoverable before donation. Following best practices for secure disposal, what method should you recommend? 3, 2, 1. Use a certified data destruction tool to perform a multi-pass overwrite on all drives. Secure data destruction requires overwriting the contents of the drive multiple times to prevent recovery using forensic tools. This is the most reliable method for ensuring sensitive information is permanently erased. Simple deletion or formatting only removes file pointers, not the data itself. The diskpart clean command only clears partition data. It doesn't overwrite contents. Tools like DBAN or commercial grade data erasers comply with data sanitation standards like DoD or Department of Defense 5220. All right, gang, right now, you should be seeing some videos pop up about A+, about getting a job, all this type of stuff. You can click on one of those videos and it'll help you pass certs, get jobs, get prepared, so on and so forth. If you are looking to get any of these practice test questions, in the description. If you're looking to join our beginner course, in the description. If you're looking to join the Certs IT Pro program, in the description. Other than that, I'll see you in class.